In this video, I'm going to show you how to construct a crafting table in any version of Minecraft. A crafting table will allow you to construct many different tools and other items that are essential to playing Minecraft. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and locate a tree. We will need to go ahead and mine a wood block. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on it like so. So I'm currently left clicking on the tree right over here, but I'm actually pressing my finger down. I'm not like tapping it like this or anything. I'm actually going ahead and pressing on it until it actually does break. But anyways, guys, once you have a little bit of wood, then all you need to do is you need to press on the E key on your computer like so, and then you're going to get a menu that looks like this. So from here, you want to go ahead and take an oak log like so, and then you want to go ahead and make it into oak planks. And then from there, all you need to do is go ahead and put wood in a pattern that looks something like this. And then from there, we can actually go ahead and create a crafting table. In order to do this, you will only need 4 oak planks. And keep in mind, 1 oak log is equivalent to 4 oak planks. So that means you only really need like just one of these blocks over here in order to construct a crafting table. And then here it is, guys. All you got to do is just place it down like so. And then whenever you actually right click on it, it will now open up. And over here, we actually do have like a bunch of guides that will tell us what we can craft and stuff like that. So that is definitely pretty cool. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.